Katihar, a district in the eastern Indian state of Bihar, is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. It is a place where the rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of city living. Situated on the fertile plains of the Ganges River, Katihar enjoys a lush and verdant landscape that is both picturesque and bountiful. Katihar is a land of contrasts where modernity and tradition coexist harmoniously. It boasts a rich tapestry of natural beauty, cultural heritage and rural charm, making it a unique destination for those looking to explore the authentic side of India. The district is bordered by Nepal to the north and west, Bengal to the east, adding to its strategic importance and cultural diversity. Katihar is well connected to other parts of Bihar and India by road and rail, making it easily accessible for travelers. Despite its connectivity, Katihar remains relatively unexplored compared to other tourist destinations in Bihar, offering a peaceful retreat. This makes it an ideal destination for travelers seeking an off-the-beaten-path experience, where they can immerse themselves in the tranquility of rural life. Katihar offers a unique blend of natural beauty, cultural immersion, and tranquility, with its scenic landscapes and vibrant cultural festivals. A trip to Katihar promises a journey into the heart of rural India, where one can experience the simplicity and beauty of village life, making it a memorable and enriching experience. Katihar experiences a humid subtropical climate characterized by distinct seasons. Summers in Katihar are hot and humid, with temperatures soaring to 40 degrees Celsius or higher from April to June. The monsoon season from July to September brings much-needed relief from the scorching heat. During this time, Katihar receives abundant rainfall, transforming the landscape into a lush green paradise. Winters in Katihar are mild and pleasant. Temperatures range from 8 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius from November to February. The clear skies and cool breezes make it an ideal time to explore the outdoors. The best time to visit Katihar is during the winter months. This is when the weather is most pleasant for sightseeing and outdoor activities. Katihar is blessed with an abundance of water resources. The mighty Kosi and Ganges rivers flow through the district. They are lifelines for its people. The rivers provide fertile soil for agriculture and sustain a rich ecosystem. The Kosi River, often referred to as the sorrow of Bihar due to its unpredictable nature and devastating floods, is a sight to behold. The Ganges, considered sacred by Hindus, flows gracefully along the southern border of Katihar. It adds to the scenic beauty of the region. Numerous wetlands and marshes dot the landscape of Katihar. They provide a haven for a wide variety of flora and fauna. These wetlands play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. Venturing beyond the rivers and wetlands, one encounters the captivating rural greenery that envelops Katihar. Vast stretches of agricultural land interspersed with patches of forests create a picturesque landscape. The lush green fields swaying in the gentle breeze offer a soothing balm to the soul. The forests of Katihar, though not as extensive as in other parts of Bihar, are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. These forests provide opportunities for ecotourism and nature walks. They allow visitors to connect with nature and experience the tranquility of the wilderness. The rural areas of Katihar offer a glimpse into the simple life of its people. Villages with mud houses, bustling local markets, and children playing in the fields are common sights. Section 5: Bounty of the Land. Agriculture in Katihar. Agriculture forms the backbone of Katihar's economy. The district's vast stretches of farmland are a testament to the hard work and dedication of its farmers. From dawn till dusk, these farmers toil in the fields, ensuring that the land yields its bounty. The fertile alluvial soil deposited by the rivers over centuries is ideal for cultivating a variety of crops. This rich soil, combined with the favorable climate, makes Katihar a prime agricultural hub in the region. Rice, wheat, maize, jute and sugarcane are some of the primary crops grown in the district. These crops not only feed the local population but also contribute significantly to the region's economy through trade and export. The agricultural landscape of Katihar is a sight to behold, especially during the harvest season. The fields come alive with activity as farmers gather the fruits of their labor, celebrating the culmination of months of hard work. The golden fields of ripe paddy, the vibrant green of sugarcane plantations, and the colorful array of vegetables create a vibrant tapestry. This picturesque landscape is a reflection of the region's agricultural diversity and abundance. Agriculture in Katihar is not just a source of livelihood, but also an integral part of the region's culture and identity. Families work together in the fields, passing down traditional farming practices from one generation to the next. The annual harvest festivals are a testament to the deep connection between the people and the land. These celebrations are filled with music, dance, and rituals, highlighting the community's gratitude for a bountiful harvest and their hopes for future prosperity. Section 6. Beyond the horizon, exploring nearby tourist spots. While Katihar itself is a hidden gem, it also serves as a gateway to other nearby tourist destinations. The town is surrounded by a variety of scenic spots that offer a perfect escape for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're looking to explore lush green landscapes, cascading waterfalls, or serene rivers, the region around Katihar has something for everyone. One such destination is Kunda Falls, located about 100 kilometers from Katihar town. This natural wonder is a favorite among tourists for its breathtaking beauty and tranquil environment. The journey to Kunda Falls itself is an adventure, taking you through winding roads and picturesque villages. This picturesque waterfall cascades down from a height of 50 feet, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The sound of the water crashing down and the cool mist in the air make it a perfect spot for relaxation and photography. Visitors often spend hours here, soaking in the natural beauty and enjoying the peaceful ambience. The surrounding forests and hills add to the scenic beauty of the place. The area is also home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a great spot for nature walks and bird watching. The lush greenery and the serene environment provide a perfect backdrop for a day out in nature. Another popular tourist spot is the Cuisine River. This majestic river is not only a natural wonder, but also a hub of various activities. The riverbanks are dotted with picturesque spots where visitors can relax and enjoy the scenic views. Visitors can take boat rides on the river. These boat rides offer a unique perspective of the river and its surroundings, allowing you to see the beauty of the region from a different angle. Whether you're in a canoe or a larger boat, the experience is sure to be memorable. They can also explore the nearby villages and witness the unique culture of the Kosi region. The villages are known for their traditional lifestyle and vibrant cultural activities. Visitors can interact with the locals, participate in cultural events, and get a glimpse of the rich heritage of the area. For those interested in history and spirituality, a visit to Manihari, located on the banks of the Ganges, is a must. This ancient town is steeped in history and offers a serene environment for spiritual reflection. Manihari is an ancient town known for its temples and ghats. The town's spiritual significance and historical landmarks make it a popular destination for pilgrims and history enthusiasts alike. The ghats, with their serene ambience, are perfect for a peaceful stroll or meditation, offering a unique blend of history and spirituality. Section 7. A tapestry of life. Flora and fauna of Katihar. Katihar's diverse landscape supports a rich variety of flora and fauna. The forests are home to trees like sal, teak, and bamboo. Medicinal plants and herbs also thrive in these forests. They are used in traditional medicine. The wetlands and marshes of Katihar are a haven for migratory birds. During the winter months, birds from Siberia and other parts of Central Asia flock to these wetlands. They create a birdwatcher's paradise. Animals like deer, wild boars, and jackals are also found in the forests of Katihar. The rivers and wetlands are home to a variety of fish, turtles, and crocodiles. Section 8. Echoes of the past, vibrant present, culture and heritage in Katihar. Katihar has a rich cultural heritage that is reflected in its festivals, art, craft, and music. The people of Katihar are known for their warm hospitality and their love for music and dance. Folk songs and dances are an integral part of the local culture. They are performed during festivals and special occasions. One of the most popular festivals in Katihar is Chath Puja. It's a 4-day festival dedicated to the sun god. During this festival, devotees offer prayers to the rising and setting sun. They stand in water for hours. Other important festivals celebrated in Katihar include Durga, Puja, Diwali, and Holi. Section 9. Katihar beckons, an oasis of tranquility. Katihar, with its natural beauty, cultural heritage, and tranquility, offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether one seeks adventure, spiritual solace, or simply a chance to reconnect with nature, Katihar has something to offer everyone. The district's unexplored charm makes it an ideal destination for offbeat travelers. The warm hospitality of the local people adds to the charm of visiting Katihar. A journey to Katihar is not just a trip, but an experience that stays with you long after you have left. So pack your bags and embark on a journey to discover the hidden gem of Bihar, Katihar.